Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sketchbook app how to remove background. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To remove background in the Sketchbook app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Sketchbook app, and then once you are here, what you need to do is check if the background is on separate layer. So to check it, simply tap on this icon right here and you can see there is a separate layer. Now if there is a separate background, tap the eye icon like this to hide it. If the background is merged with the drawing, use the selection or erase method. Then second is to use the magic wand tool for simple backgrounds, and to use it simply tap on this icon right here, then tap on selection. Then here what you need to do is tap on this lasso icon and then select it to magic wand. Now all you gotta do is tap the background. This selects area of similar color, adjust the tolerance slider if needed, then tap cut or delete to remove the background, then tap deselect when done. Then you can also use the eraser tool right here and then adjust the size and opacity as needed. Carefully erase around the subject, zoom in for precise erasing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, bye bye.